Real estate and LLCs, hidden issues. If you're tuning into this video, maybe you own real estate, maybe you have that real estate held through an LLC, or maybe you're thinking about buying real estate, setting up the LLC. There are some hidden issues, and I want to talk about them today because I don't think enough people think about them or know about them. We did a shorts about it here on the channel. We typically do a number of shorts where we talk about high-level issues and just kind of give the pointers. We hope that those people that see the shorts that are interested come back and check out for longer videos. So you're seeing a longer video here. Maybe you'll want to check out some of our shorts by subscribing to our channel and being in the know. Usually we do a short and long on an important topic such as this. So what are some of these hidden issues with LLCs, real estate? Well, number one on it is liabilities. People think that having an LLC is an absolute liability shield, and it's not. You can go through that LLC for liability reasons and get to the business owner for negligence. If the business owner is involved, let's say you have a rental property and you're there and you're negligent in maintaining the property, or you're negligent in cleaning up the property, or something you do, then a smart lawyer may try to attack you for liability. What happens under state law may vary from state to state. How that connection needs to be, how much liability you have may vary, but your work for the LLC, your stuff you're doing on behalf of your rental property may not have those liability protections. Also, we have veil piercing claims where people will try to set aside an LLC. Now, we've talked about veil piercing in a number of videos here on the channel. I recommend you go check them out, but the basic concept is that somebody can potentially get to an owner of an LLC by claiming the LLC is not a real business, or that a court should look through it. So we still have that liability risk if we're not doing things right. So it's important to understand that in the real estate world. Just because we form an LLC doesn't mean absolutely there's going to be liability protection. There's other factors in play here. Number two, transfers and mortgages. This is a big one. A lot of people want to go out and get a loan. You'll find that in general, if you're going to finance real estate, the banks want it in your personal name. You're going to have a challenge getting a loan in the LLC name many times. And so what a lot of people do is they take out a loan in their personal name and then intending to transfer it to an LLC after closing. Now, that may be a technical violation of your mortgage documents. Standard mortgage documents generally don't allow you to make that type of transfer into a business LLC after you buy the property. So you want to be very careful about going back and looking at your mortgage documents. Are you going to be in a technical violation of your mortgage? That could lead to calling a mortgage. Not something we've seen very frequently in practice from talking to other lawyers, that banks are actually calling these loans that people keep paying. But with interest rates getting higher, and with this practice being out there for a long time, maybe it triggers something in the future. Maybe something changes. So certainly something you want to be aware about, that you need to be very careful about how you're moving assets around. And if you're doing one of these mortgages and then a transfer, is it violating your mortgage documents? Number three on our list is series LLCs. A lot of real estate people, a lot of promoters out there really love the series LLC. The idea of a series LLC is that you have series, which are essentially silos that are created by state law within the LLC Act. And the idea that assets and liabilities in one series are not supposed to bleed over into others. There's bankruptcy and other concerns with series LLCs, so you want to be very careful about their utilization and whether you can set them up properly. So think about whether you're getting the liability protection you want. We have a longer video on it here on the channel. You can go check that out. These are some high-level issues between real estate and LLCs. So this is why you really want to build a good structure with an attorney, so you understand what's going on, you understand some of these risks, and so you get proper documentation in place. If you have general questions or comments, go ahead and drop below. But remember, your questions and comments will not be confidential. Don't put anything there you don't want other people seeing, but keep them broad and general so that we can maybe help you with questions. For specific questions and for advice, meet with an attorney of your choosing. And I hope you subscribe to the channel so we can join each other for more videos soon.